work to do. We have not overcome and we have not arrived. If you are not a member and you don't live in Douglas or Paulden, seek out the NAACP branch in your jurisdiction and join, because there's work to do. There's work to do. I'll close with the words of Marcia Riggs. Awake, arise, and act. Thank you all so much for coming. We love you. And I would be remiss if I did not acknowledge my mother, who is 97 and understands the warrior spirit. So thank you all for coming.
What a wonderful, beautiful occasion. Thank you, Patsy. Sissy. Again, a wonderful, beautiful occasion of the installation of the 2019-2020 elected officers, leaders of the West Metro branch of the NAACP. You all have been given a charge. I had prepared some different little quotes to leave with you, and I realized how God orchestrates. The charge given by Reverend K. Lamar Jones already covered everything I got here in my little book. Serve and be served. Let's finish the race, continue the fight. You don't do this work alone, leaders. You're not alone. You have each other as a support. You have the members. You have the community, like-minded individuals committed to the cause for which you have committed, to give a voice to voiceless, to lift up those who are downtrodden, to fight for justice, to seek out injustice everywhere, every nook and cranny where it may reside. We have leadership who will lead that charge, and the members who will serve alongside, co-labor, work with, to ensure that the work goes on for now. And I think about the future. I think about my 6-year-old beautiful granddaughter, and I know the work that my parents did, and my aunts and uncles did, allow me to be here, blessed by God and favored by God, to do the work, co-laboring with you all. And we have to make sure that we are preparing that way for those that will come after us. So I will say to you all, please remember to serve and be served. Remain committed. That was the charge. You're not running alone. And it's going to take a little time to grow. It's a process. It's all right. You might stumble a little bit here, or stumble a little bit there, but you know you have each other, like-minded people serving our people. So with that, we're going to move to close this wonderful, auspicious occasion, the installation of the officers for 2019-2020. We are going to move now and have the benediction by Reverend Jones. That's you. And after the benediction, we will partake of some refreshments.
Okay, thank you so kindly. Before we offer the benediction, I want to let you see my honey bunny sugar plum and my ride or die babe, Tammy Sella Jones. Please raise your hand. And our 4-year-old son. They made the journey with me, so I always thank God for them. Let us all stand together. And let us receive now the benediction. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make divine face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May the Lord our God, who helps you stay committed, lift up countenance upon you and give you peace. Peace in the morning, peace in the evening. Peace in your going out and your coming in. Peace in your labor and in your leisure, your joy and your sorrow, your trials and your triumphs. May this great God of ours give you peace. Let us all say together in love. God, we thank you so much now for the opportunity, for the experience to witness your hand upon these officers. We ask God now that you will be with them and sustain them. God, give us safe travel home to our destination. We pray, God, now that you will bless the food that's been prepared, bless the hands that prepared it, and let everything that we do and say be pleasing in your sight. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. Amen.